guys, it's your boy Uzi Efizzy. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Man, guys, I'm traveling. You know what it is now. I'm traveling, but then it won't make me to stop giving you guys good food. So today I'm dropping the chicken sauce recipe. Yes. Okay, watch. That's my angel. That's the rest of them, man. But guys, enjoy this recipe that is coming, and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe. You know what it goes now. Yeah. Once again, man, we're heading. Trinidad, we're coming. Thank you very much, guys, for being here. Visit www.efizzyfoods.com and make sure you subscribe. All right. Okay, bro. Say cheese. Yeah, I'm seeing you. Burnt chocolate. Thanks, man. Yeah. Okay. Love you guys. Peace. Let's go.